Hello viewers, hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Happiness. So today we are going to show you how to properly clean and peel prawns. So I've already washed these. Look at this. Look at the size of this prawn. First of all, yeah, look at my hand and look at the prawns. Big size prawns we have got here. So some people for decorating purpose wants to keep the shells or like the tail fins intact, but for today we are going to show you how to fully deshell the prawns, peel the prawns and properly clean them, their innards and so what we're gonna do is keep these two prawns on the side. Okay, now you have to be careful with these parts because these are very sharp, and if you get pinched by them they might get infected. So you can wear gloves if you want to be extra cautious. So first of all we are going to remove this hard part like this, and you may want to keep this part for decorations later. You clean it up with water and cook it a little bit. It will change color to a brilliant pink or reddish hue, and you can decorate your dish. So just be careful. What I got here is a fish cutting scissor. This is a very essential instrument to cut these parts of the prawns. So I'm gonna cut it. It's very important. You cannot always do it with your hands. So I'm gonna remove these parts. Okay, these parts. Be careful. Okay, so now doesn't this part look cool? So hopefully we'll use this as a decoration on our next dish. So I'm gonna keep it on the side, move this part. So now what we can do is these parts, we don't need these small legs, so we're gonna throw it away. Also these small legs, we're gonna throw them away. As you can see, can you see it? This leg, we're gonna throw it away. So these things are all going away, and these big legs, yes, these are edible, not the pincer part. Yes, these parts, these are all edible, but not this part, we don't eat it. So I'm gonna cut it here and also cut it here. This pincer or claws, we're gonna throw them away, and we're gonna cut off these legs and we're gonna cook it. I'm gonna show it to you in other episodes. So we're gonna cook that parts of the leg, and there is soft meat inside, and hopefully in the next episode I'll show you how to get the meat out properly. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these on a side. So these also we're gonna throw these away. Now this looks good for decoration, but for eating purpose I like to remove this thing whole, this whole thing, the tail thing, bit sharp. Be careful with this part. So this, we don't want to damage the whole body of the, so whole body of the prawn. So do like this and try to break the shell. You can use this, but I feel this way is easier. So remove the shell. See, we're gonna throw this away. We're gonna throw this part whole, this part too. Okay. Okay. Now, what we do is take closer look, guys. This part, the prawn's intestinal content, or prawn poop, if you want to call it, there is a it stays inside its head. There is a sac at the upper part of its head where all its intestinal contents or poops are collected. So we'll have to remove this. It's very important. So many people I've seen on the internet, they cook the prawns whole. So what they're basically doing is they're cooking the prawn poop inside the head, and that's gonna affect the taste of their whole prawns and the gravies they are using. The juice, the poop juice will come out and it will affect, it will damage the whole overall taste of their dish. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take a knife, or if you want you can use this scissor, whatever knife is better. So don't damage the sac. Okay, we're gonna bring the sac out as a whole. Look, what is this black part? Look, this, you pull it outside, this is where its poop is being collected. So you have to throw that away. It's very important. Okay, we can remove these teeth. Okay, now the poop, the intestinal tract, where does it lead to? It loads to the tail part, and then poops is excreted from here. So all through the middle part there is a tract that we have to remove, like this. Use your knife, be careful, like this. Okay, now can you see the tract? This is the tract. So it looks white now, but sometime you'll see this tract is full of prawn poops. Or sheet, whatever you want to call it. So excuse my language. So you don't want to damage the whole prawn brain, because that is the most tasty part of the prawn. So let's clean another prawn very fast. get out the, will bring out the shrimp poop sack like this. Put pressure like this, so get it like this and pull it out. The whole sack is gonna come out. Okay, and we're gonna cut it. See, we're going to throw it away now. The intestinal tract lies here. Be careful with the knife. Okay, see what I was talking about? Fish poop. We throw this thing away. Okay, so we're going to clean it on running tap water. So how to properly clean and peel a prawn. Stay with us. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye bye.